Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wa ala alihi. First of all, let's pray and thanks to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for giving us some mercies and blessings so we can stand in this place with the trouble. Secondly, and salat and salam to our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who guided us from darkness to lightness and this life and Jannah. Okay, so today in this video I want to talk you some material about OSPF stub area. Okay, so here there is 3 routers. That is router left, router middle router, and then there is router right. Okay, before that I want to explain you about what is OSPF stub area. And OSPF stub area is a special type of area in OSPF where certain routes or external routes are blocked to make routing tables smaller and the network more efficient. And instead of learning every external route, the ABR or area border router just give a default route 0.0.0.0/0 to routes inside the stub area. This way, routers in that area don't need to store big lists of external routes. They just send unknown traffic to the ABR. And key point of stub area is there is no type 5 LSA or external LSA are allowed inside. Instead, ABR inject default route into the area. And then point 3 is router inside the stub area still know about intra-area route or LSA 1 and 2, and then inter-area summary route LSA 3 and 4. Use the redirect memory and CPU load on route. Okay, so here I want to show you the configuration in the stub area. So in the first is you can configuration in middle route. You can enter the router OSPF 2 and then you can write area 1 stub. This is configuration in stub area. And then you can go to router right, same router OSPF 3, and then area 1 stub. Area 1, that is choose area 1, area 1 for next area. And then stub is area to be hide LSA 4 and 5, or block here. That. And then if you are ready, you can check the table routing. In here there is no code of OE2. There is no OE2. Then you can check in the database. You can do show IP OSPF database, and there is no LSA 4 and LSA 5 here. There is router link stats, net link stat, and summary net link stat. There is no LSA 4 and LSA 5. So here you can do show IP route 100.100.100.4, and then there is subnet not in table. And then if there is no in the routing table, but if you ping 10.100.100.100.100.4, but you can ping this, or the success rate is 100%. It is for the stub area. Yeah, if you are ready, you can save the configuration. You can copy running config startup config. It is for the save the configuration. Okay, in the next is there is OSPF totally stop area. So here the topology still same. There is 3 routers, and then there is area 100. You can see there is area 100 here, and then this area 1, and this area 1 2. Okay, before that I want to wait this blur. Okay, I want to explain you what is OSPF totally stop area. And OSPF totally stop area is like an even more restricted version of stop area. In stop area, routers don't get external route or LSA type 5, but they still get inter-area summary routes LSA type 3 or 4. And in a totally stop area, routers don't get external routes or LSA 5 and don't get summary routes LSA 3 or 4. And instead, the ABR or area border routes injects only one default route into the area, and so routers inside the area just forward everything they don't know to the ABR. And key points there is no LSA 3, 4, and 5 inside the area. Only LSA 1 and LSA 2 intra area info plus a default routers from the ABR. Makes the router table super small and very easy to route process, and best for branch office or areas that don't need full routing info. So here I want to show you the configuration. So here you can delete the stop area, no area 1 stop, and then you can start the configuration. You can enter the router OSPF 2, and then you can write area 1 stop no summary. And then so here you can do show IP route in router right. Yeah, if you can see this, there is no information tabulating. There is no OE2. Yeah, and then so in the right can do show IP OSPF database, and you can see there is LSA type 3, just information link ID. Yeah, this is for the database. And if you show IP route 100.100.100.100.100.1, and then there is no network not in table routing or routing table. Yeah, if you ping, so here you can ping, but you can ping 100.100.100. If you ping already success 100%. Yeah. If you are ready, you can save as. Yeah, if you want to save. Okay, and then the last is there is OSPF and SSA or no so stub area. So here the same, there is 3 routers. Before the configuration, I want to explain you about what is NSA and SSA or not so stubby area. So OSPF and SSA is a special type of OSPF area that's like mix between a stub area and a normal area. In the stub area, external route LSA type 5 are not allowed, but sometimes a stub area still needs to bring in external route like from RIP, static route, or BGP. And that's why NSSA exists, is allows external routes to be injected into the stub, but in controlled way. Yeah. So here there is same for the topology. There is IP 100 in the router left. Okay, so here I want to show you the configuration. Yeah, in here topology you can add the IP. In the root right there is IP 3.1, 2, and 3. So here we can add the network. That is, you can enter the router RIP version 2 and the network 333.1, 2, and 3, and no auto summary. And then router OSPF 3 redistribute RIP subnets. Yeah. And the next is you can enter the router OSPF 2 in the middle router, and then you can delete the area 1 stub no summary, and then you can add area 1 NSSA or NSSA, and the router right 2 you can now area 1 stub, but you can add area 1 NSSA. Area 1 for choose area 1 to be area, and then NSSA, that is to be not no stubby area, or make simple, that is ice bear. Yeah, ice bear. Yeah, so here you can check table routing in the router left and router right. So here show IP routes. There is the information about OE2. Yeah. There is two same OE2, and then in the router left there is OEA, that is receive info from router right. Yeah. Info external from router right. So you can do ping 100.100.100.4, and then connect. Cannot ping. Yeah. And then you can enter the router OSPF 2 and then area 1 NSSA default information originate. And then so here you can check the routing table. That is, there is O stars and N and 2. Yeah. So here in the router right you can ping again, but in here you can ping 100.100.100.4, 0.5, and 0.6. All can ping. Yeah, successful. Yeah. And then in the router OSPF 2 in the area 1 NSSA no auto summary you can add. And then so here there is check routing table. You can see there is information or stars IA. You can check ping after that in the router right. So here there is can ping. Yeah, you can from the 100.2 and 100.1 until 100.7 for 100.7. Yeah, in you can do show IP OSPF database in the root right, and then you can see so in here the database there is LSA type 7. Okay, type 7, that is, you can see there is as external link state, that is NSSA. Okay, maybe that's all for me about stub area. Okay, this if you are ready, you can save as the configuration. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.